I think November and December are the absolute best months to be a baker because we get to make all those special things, all the pies and the cakes and the cookies that belong to this season. And one of my personal favorites, something I rarely make the rest of the year, is a Swedish tea ring. Tea rings are perfect for the season because virtually all of us will be playing host at some point, or we'll be invited to a brunch and we'll want to give people something to talk about. A gorgeous tea ring is just the ticket. And if you'd like to learn how to put one together, I've got a live class coming up next weekend, Sunday, November 2nd. I'm going to cover everything you need to know, from how to make the dough, tricks for rolling it out, the best filling, how to shape it, score it, glaze it, and more. It'll be an action-packed 90 minutes, and you better sharpen those pencils because you'll be taking plenty of notes. So if you'd like to flex those baking chops this season and give folks a taste of something special, then this class is for you. And remember, as always, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later because you have full access to the recipes and the replay. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in class.